We head to breaking news at noon. The mother of the Richneck Elementary School shooter pleads guilty to felony child neglect. Deja Taylor reportedly told investigators she left her handgun on top of her dresser on January 6th before her son took it to the school and shot his teacher, Abby Zwerner. And Sparaco has been following this case from the very beginning, and she joins us live now outside the courthouse. And Taylor actually faced another charge in this case. What happened with that one?
Well, Bethany, Deja Taylor also faced a charge of recklessly leaving a loaded handgun in reach of her child. Now, today in court, prosecutors say they agreed to null pros that charge, which means they essentially are setting it aside and not prosecuting Taylor on that charge at this time. Meanwhile, Deja Taylor did plead guilty to felony child neglect, which holds a maximum penalty of 5 years in prison. However, prosecutors agreed with Taylor's attorney to ask for a sentence within the state guidelines of up to 6 months, but the judge says he can go above that recommendation if he chooses. Despite Taylor's argument that she kept the gun secured, prosecutors told the judge today that Taylor told investigators she usually kept her gun on top of her dresser at home with a trigger lock on the gun. Prosecutors also said officers did not find a trigger lock, lockbox, or key to the box inside her home when they conducted a search warrant after the shooting. Here's what Taylor's attorney James Ellenson had to say about what he hopes for in the upcoming sentencing.
I still think that no jail time would be appropriate. I think, again, given the mitigating factors that we'll present at sentencing, I mean, basically this was the Commonwealth's case. We haven't put on our evidence about what is the mitigation, and that'll be presented at sentencing.
And Abby Zwerner's attorney sent us a statement in response to this latest guilty plea, saying in part, quote, as the criminal probe widens, our focus remains on justice for Abby and holding the school system accountable. Tonight on 13 News Now at 4, we learn more about what prosecutors say the boy told detectives the night of the shooting and how he said he got a hold of his mother's handgun. Live in Newport News, I'm Sparaco for 13 News Now.
And thank you. Now, Deja Taylor also did plead guilty to federal charges of lying on her gun permit paperwork that she used marijuana at the time of her purchase. She faces approximately 18 months to 2 years in prison on those charges.